Right. Her essay is called Revolutionary War and the Development of International Humanitarian Law. Right. So begins by talking about the distinction between civilians and combatants. So civilian is a term that developed in the 19th century, but it didn't really rise to prominence until after World War II. So currently, the protection of civilians is the central precept of human rights, international humanitarian law, the rules of law, and there are just a handful of dominant institutions in these fields. One of them is the International Committee of the Red Cross. The other one is Amnesty International, and the other one is Human Rights Watch. So the International Committee of the Red Cross lists of customary rules of international humanitarian law, right? The principle of distinction between combatants and civilians. All right, do you think that's Rule 1, Rule 21, Rule 101? It is Rule 1. Rule 4, combatants are members of armed forces. Rule 5, civilians are those who are not members of armed forces. So 200 years ago, there was no concept of civilian. Members of your enemy's state or tribe were still your enemy.